Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're gonna be throwing the Summit Ascent one-handed. Quick review. Let's go see what it does.
I've been feeling like I can take it no more. I reached my limit. My heart is bleeding on the floor. All the ghosts in me.
Today I'm bowling on a 46-foot sport shot here, 4-to-1, 28 mils. I got a couple games on it already, so they've hit transition. They're not quite super burnt yet, but let's see what the Summit Ascent does. That was really smooth. Carry that. All right, guys, taking a look at the Summit Ascent, it's going to be that ball. It's going to be a step above my IQ Tour, and it's going to fit just below a Phase 2. It has a cleaner cover stock than what is on the Phase 2. So you're going to see a big core with a clean cover, and it's going to give you a different motion. For me, what I'm seeing one-handed, it's a ball that's not going to burn up in the mids, and it's going to be clean through the fronts like an IQ Tour, but it's going to make that motion down lane like what a Phase 2 is. So you got a best of both worlds here, and I put this ball right in between both of those. Playing off of the Ion Pro, for me it feels like the Ion Pro is going to be stronger than what the Summit Ascent is, just because of that asymmetry and a stronger cover stock. I'm going to be a little bit more left with my feet using the Ion Pro versus the Summit Ascent. If you're looking for a ball that resembles the original Marvel, I love the original Marvel, the Marvel Solid, and the Summit Ascent kind of feels like that. The cover stock, it's got the same core shape actually, just the densities inside is a little bit different, and it has AI, so that's why they're not completely identical, but they're fairly close. And guys, if you want to pick one up, go visit your local Storm VIP Pro Shop, or you can come visit me or Ray at Bay Area Pro Shop, and we'll take care of you. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, because guys, we're so close to 10,000 subscribers. We just hit that 6,000 subscriber mark, and we'll be giving away a signed bowling ball by your 2024 Masters champion, Deron Booker. So just hit that sub button, share this video to your friends, comment down below, did you guys like the Marvel Solid? Because that was one of my favorites. I think the Marvel Pro I liked it a little bit better, but I did love the Marvel Solid. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.